This is a video tutorial for a spiral flower pour that was inspired by Sunfire Designs. I created this in our Crystal Edge bee mold using Platinum UltraClear resin, which is a low viscosity resin. I started up by mixing about 7.10 ounces and used 1.18 ounces of clear on the bottom along with one of our glitter cores. I then took 1.01 ounces and added 5 drops of Liquitex acrylic ink in carbon black and swirled that around outside to in and inside back out again. The next layer is 4 drops of Prussian blue Liquitex acrylic ink and another 1.1 ounce of resin. I also mixed up Let's Resin Ocean White, 3 drops, and 1.35 ounces of resin to do the next set of circles. As you'll see though, as I'm pouring the Prussian blue, my glitter core started floating to the top. Time for that bad boy to get out of there. I move on to the Ocean White, and for some reason I'm doing this so very carefully. Usually when I pour white, it's much more sloppy than this, but I guess I was trying to do a perfect pour. But I'm starting from the outside going in, just making circles, and once I get to the center, I just go back out again. Still going in my fine little lines into the center, I then just start looping it back out randomly. I do use up all of the white that's left in the cup in filling in the circles. So this is a really easy pour. Clear on the bottom, the black circles with blue circles on top and white circles on top of that. Just random circling of the color on top of each other. I do end up using all the white in my cup, but not scraping any excess out. The balance of the resin is then used as the push for the center. And for this one, we go very slowly. Sometimes it's a fast push, sometimes it's a slow push. I don't know if there's a reason for it, but I just followed along with the recipe as it was provided. This also gives you a chance to add anything you want in the center, whether it's glass glitter, glitter, crushed glass. It opens up the design for a short time so you can add your center, especially when your center's already floated away, as mine did. I always like to add a little bit of resin to the glass or glitter I'm putting in the center because it keeps it from floating away. After the resin is cured, it's the exciting time to demold. Wow, our Crystal Edge bee mold made this look gorgeous. Looks totally different from Sunfire Designs, but a beautiful end result. Let us know what you think in the comments.